Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. Today is just a little Primark makeup haul. I wanted to test some base products and that's what we'll be doing in an upcoming live. Not too sure if it's going to be tomorrow or Saturday. I'm gonna try and get this little haul up before I actually do the live, but the chances of that going on probably are not very high. The chances of me doing that are probably slim, especially if I use them tomorrow, and I'm excited about using them, so I probably will use them tomorrow. Anyway, let's talk about the base products, the foundation that I picked up. I picked up this one. So this is the PS My Perfect Colour Perfect Finish Foundation. It's the medium to full coverage, natural finish, vitamin C and vitamin E. So it's got some really nice skincare products in there as well. It was only £3 and you get in 35ml, which is more than the average foundation that you get. So I'm really happy with it. I used to use this so long ago. I feel like that they've done something to the formula. So I feel like maybe they've changed the formula, because I don't think it used to have vitamin C and vitamin E in it. So they've obviously done something to the formula. The packaging is definitely more bougie. It just used to be all black. So I got that, and then I got the matching concealer. So I used to use this as well. I've had one or two of these in my time. It's the PS My Perfect Colour liquid concealer, medium coverage, and my shade is Porcelain. Go figure. I do like that brightened under eye though, so I always get the lightest shade, whatever shade that may be. And this one, does it say how much you get in it? You're getting 2.6ml or 0.08 fluid ounces. So this was £2.50. Then I got a really pretty cream blush. It's going to be reflective, so I am sorry about that. It's in the shade Peach. This one was £3.50. Just wait till you see it, guys. Look at that. Is that not me in a blush? I'm going to do a swatch. Let's try rubbing the rest of this stuff off. And I would say it's more like orange than peach. That's it there. So that's that. Again, that was £3.50. And then the only other thing I picked up was a highlighter. I've got several lipsticks from Primark, so I didn't need a lipstick. And I did think about maybe getting enough makeup for a full face. I've tried other things from them in the past, mascaras, eyeshadow palettes. I mean, the eyeshadow palettes have probably changed formula since I've tried them, but I didn't actually, we can use this one. We can use this. This one is really pretty. Obviously I've kept it because it's Disney. You Are Magic. My mum bought me this. We can use this. We can like do a similar look to what I've created today, maybe with the more mauve tones. I'll decide when I do the live. That's pretty cool that I've remembered about this one. So yeah, we'll use that. And it more or less is testing a full face of Primark makeup. But I will use this highlighter because it's new. So it's the PS Golden Glow. And I thought I would need the pearl. The pearl one looked more golden than the golden one. So I just picked this one up. And that's what it looks like. Shall I take the wrapper off? I'll need to do that for the live anyway. I'm not going to swatch it though because it's beautiful. And I'm going to do that in the live. Yeah, it is pretty golden. It's pretty though, isn't it? And they've got two other shades. They've got a more pinky shade, which I might pick up as well. And that one. Now, they used to do these years and years ago. And I've got two of these shades. One was called, I think, Lunch Money. Let me show you what I've done. So I'll show you with this palette, but I do have another one. So this is my own self-made palette. I depotted this one. This is the highlighter, and then in another palette I've got more of a blush topper, which is meant to be a highlighter as well, the other one. But it isn't on me. I'll show you this shade. This one's really pretty. I think it's drying up at this point. I have had it a while. That's that one there. But yeah, I don't want to swatch that because I don't want to ruin the imprint. I know I'm going to have to use it, but we're going to be doing that in the live. That's all the products that I got. I mean, this one, this one reminds me so much of the Kylie Cosmetics highlighters. Do you know how hers always say Kylie? This one says glow all the way down it. So I'm really looking forward to doing this full face of Primark makeup now. Thank you so much for joining. Let me know what you think of the products. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think of the products. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.